Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Maryam Sajjad from CID News Network, Islamabad. Police image needs improvement, said Prime Minister Imran Khan. Prime Minister Imran Khan on Friday directed Inspector General of Police Punjab, Inam Ghani, to utilize all resources to protect the lives and property of citizens. Chairing a meeting on reforms and performance of the Punjab police here, the Prime Minister stressed the use of modern technology to control crimes. UK says Nawaz's arrest warrants have no legal bearing. In London, the British government has said that it cannot take action against foreign Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif on the basis of the non-bailable arrest warrants served by Pakistan High Commission in London. Class nursery to 8th class resumption delayed till February 1. The government has delayed the return of students of nursery to 8th classes to schools till February 1. The world's biggest vaccination drive gets underway today in India, with over 3 lakh health workers getting the first COVID-19 vaccinations at 2,934 locations across the country. The government aims to vaccinate 300 million people by July. UK imposes travel ban amid worries of new Brazil variant. Britain will ban all arrivals from South American country. China stops PIA flights for 3 weeks due to COVID-19. The Pakistan International Airline PIA has halted flights to China in the wake of the second wave of coronavirus in China. The flights were cancelled after 10 Pakistani passengers tested positive for COVID-19, as PIA spokesman confirmed the suspension of the flights according to local media sources. China has also imposed a temporary travel ban on Pakistani passengers. PIA operates 2 weekly flights to China. Afghan security personnel killed in alleged Taliban attack. At least 9 Afghan security personnel have been killed in attacks on 2 police checkpoints overnight in the restive northern Kunduz province, with government officials blaming the Taliban for the attacks. US slaps more sanctions on Iran in final days of Trump presidency. The United States has imposed more sanctions on companies in Iran, China, and the UAE for doing business with the Islamic Republic of Iran shipping lines, and on 3 Iranian entities for convention arms proliferation.
You are watching CID News Network, Islamabad.